Hi. Today we are going to look into a simple programming problem. The problem is very easy if our foundations are clear. Let's start by understanding the question, as 50% of the problem is solved just by reading the question. So the problem here says, write a program that reads two positive float numbers and displays the sum of their integer and decimal parts. So we have to find the sum of two float numbers and display it in two parts, one for the integer part and other is decimal part. There is also an example given that if the user enters 1.23 and 9.56, the program should display 10 for the integer part and 0.79 for the decimal part. It also says to use only two double variables for finding the sum. With all that information in our mind, let's begin solving. Here is the code. The first 7 lines are pretty self-explanatory. Our main output will be form this line of code. Let's have user input as given in the example. We can see the values are mapped above their variables. Now in the integer part we type, convert all values of I, form 1.23 to only 1 point, and similarly, for j form 9.56 to 9 point. From the integer part we get the sum as 10. And form the decimal part after the calculation, we get the value as 0.79. Therefore, the output is 10, space 0.79. So this was a very basic question that demonstrates the concept of type conversion. Thank you for watching. For more practice problems, subscribe. See you in the next one.